In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shows from Continue Watching on Amazon Prime. This is a handy little trick if you're trying to tidy up your watch list or if you started something only to realize it wasn't your cup of tea. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a streamlined and more personalized viewing experience. To begin, you'll want to head over to Prime Video and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials and click the Login button. This will bring you to the Prime Video homepage, where you can access a wide range of content, from movies and TV shows to documentaries and Amazon originals. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the Continue Watching section. This area is usually prominently displayed and houses the shows and movies you've started but haven't completed. It's a convenient feature that allows you to pick up where you left off, but sometimes it can get cluttered with content you're no longer interested in. Now that you've found the Continue Watching carousel, the next step is to identify the title you want to remove. Hover over this show with your mouse. You'll notice that hovering over a title reveals various options related to that show. This is where you can decide what options best suit your needs. Among the options that appear, look for the one that says Remove from Continue Watching. Click that option, and just like that, the show will be removed from your Continue Watching list. It's as simple as that. The next time you visit Prime Video, that particular show won't be there, keeping your list neat and focused on the content you want to continue enjoying. A few quick tips. If you're doing this on a mobile app, the steps might vary slightly. You might need to tap on a menu or different icons to reach the same result. On some versions of the app, swiping left over the title could also give you the same option to remove it. Just explore a little to find how it works on your specific device. And there you have it. Removing shows from your Continue Watching list on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. By keeping your list tidy, you not only make it easier to navigate, but also enhance your overall viewing experience by focusing on what really matters to you. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most out of your streaming services. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.